Commonwealth country, it would be all over the news. We see nothing on our news at all. You've got a British citizen in Mazin Amnikanu who's in court today. He was kidnapped in another Commonwealth country, Kenya. He was tortured for 8 days and then extraordinary rendition back to Nigeria. He's a British citizen. He travelled on a British passport, and yet to this day nobody from the High Commission in Abuja has visited him. Why? Why has nobody from the High Commission in Nigeria, in Abuja, visited the British citizen called Mazin Amnikanu? Why? We talk about Britain being a country of justice and a free spirit. It's totally corrupt. Totally corrupt. And I'll tell you something now, if Nigeria had no resources, you would let Biafra go. You would let Biafra go because you're still getting 30% of all revenue generated in Nigeria comes to the taxman here. What do you think built all these buildings? What have we got in this country? We've got nothing. We've got absolutely nothing. We've got oil that we're robbing off the Scottish. That's why you don't want Scotland to go free. Because of the oil revenue that you're getting. If Biafra is free, it will bankrupt this country, I'm telling you now. And that's why you don't want to know. In May of this year, there were 679 male youths murdered by the military in Biafra land. In a Commonwealth country, you tell me any other Commonwealth country where nearly 700 people are murdered in 40 days and you don't broadcast it. Why? Why can you keep quiet? The atrocities that are happening there would not be allowed in any other country in the world. And yet you accept it because you're corrupt. You are corrupt to the core. And eventually when Biafra gets its freedom, which he will do, whether you people want it or not, then the truth will come out and it will not look favourable on the UK. Because when the UK loses all its interest in Africa, which again it will do because the African countries are sick of being ruled by corrupt people. And the biggest corruption of all is from the UK. No two ways about it. And when the African countries are free, nobody will come to bail out the UK. I'm telling you now, because of everything you've done throughout the world. We say you can't rewrite history. No, you can't. But you can try and change the future. And you have no regard whatsoever for human life. It's as simple as that. You talk about Black Lives Matter. It matters nothing to you whatsoever. In fact, no lives matter to you as long as it doesn't affect the ruling of your resources which you're getting from the African countries. So, but we'll be back here. We'll be back here again, and we'll be back here until you listen and you allow Biafra a referendum and they will be free. God bless. All hail Biafra.